Hello and welcome. This is Ahmad Ali from AffiliateMarketingBreakthrough.com, and in this important video today, I want to share with you a very important factors or things that you should avoid. Otherwise, I can almost guarantee that you will never be able to have success with your affiliate marketing business. Or actually, this can apply to any other online or even offline business. If you are falling to any one of those things that I'm going to share with you here, you have no chance to succeed, in my opinion. So this is really important video, and I want you to pay very close attention, especially for those who are newbies who want to start their affiliate marketing business, and also those who are struggling since a long time and they are not able to achieve any kind of success. This is really important video that you need to start with before you move further with your online business. Now, there is a question, is affiliate marketing easy? Because maybe you heard so many people saying that affiliate marketing is the easiest way to make money online, and that can be true. But it is a fact that it takes work, effort, patience, and consistency to be successful with. It's like anything else in the world. You don't expect to push some buttons and start making money instantly. One of the most important reasons that causes people to fail that they have this wrong mentality that an online business should be easy and they should just press a few buttons and within a couple of weeks or maybe a couple of months they can start making a full-time income where they can quit their job immediately. And that cannot be further from the truth. But even though affiliate marketing is much more easier than creating your own products, as you don't have to deal with merchant account and payment issues, which can be really frustrating because your merchant account can get shut down without a reason and you may suffer to get it back again. And at the same time, you may get people to visit your website or your product and they try to purchase and it's not working, which is really frustrating. I know so many people who quit creating their own products because they face some issues with their merchant account, and sometimes the merchant account will shut them down forever and will not allow them to open another account, so they have to find another company that will provide merchant services so they can open another account in, which can be really frustrating. And I know that from experience because I'm also creating products and I face such issues several times. So as an affiliate, you don't have to deal with those things, which is great. Also, you don't have to deal with customer support and complaints and refund requests, and that can be a lot of work. You may need also to deal with negativity that people will contact you and telling you that you are a scammer or you're trying to steal their money, and a lot of bad things that may also say about you. So if you're a product creator, then you should absorb all of that and keep moving. And hopefully you don't have to deal with those things if you are just an affiliate. Also, there is no special or advanced skills required. Anybody can start this business if they are willing to learn and take the right action. Also, you don't need any staff or employees to run this business. You can run this business by your own. You can deal with all the details and tasks there without facing any issues. Now, in the future, maybe you want to hire some staff or virtual assistants if your business grows, which is a great thing as well. But at the beginning, you don't have to deal with those things. So as you can see here, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and simplest ways to start making money online. But when I say easy, I don't mean no work. You still have to do some work. You still have to be patient. You still have to be consistent, and it may take some time. Results are not going to be instantaneous. You need to have some patience. So here's the most important question that we have to answer here. Why most of the people are failing when they try to start their affiliate marketing business, or let's say any kind of online or offline business? Now, first of all, there are several reasons for that. But in my opinion, I believe more than 80% of those reasons are coming from mindset issues. And that is from my own personal experience, because I fall myself to lots of mindset issues when I tried to start this online business, and believe it or not, the results was disastrous. I didn't start getting any kind of success until after I avoided those disastrous mindset issues. And let me warn you here, don't underestimate the importance of mindset, because it's not just as simple as being positive, excited, motivated, optimistic, and ready to take action. Those are great things, but believe it or not, they are not enough. Having the wrong mindset will lead to taking the wrong decisions, which will lead to failure. And I believe if you have only one of the mindset issues that I'll be sharing with you here, you have no chance to success. So this is really important. Now let's start with the first mindset issue. And this is the one that I'll be sharing with you in this video, which is the desperate mentality. If you are desperate to make money, and this is the main in your mind all the time, I need to make money now, then you're in a desperate situation. This desperate situation may be because you have a really serious issue and you have to get money to solve that issue fast, like some medical situations, some important and urgent life necessities, something related to your family, or maybe it can be something that you just need to buy or to get desperately, like getting the latest iPhone, PS5, that Gucci bag, or whatever. Well, if you are in this category, which is you want to get something desperately, which is not important and not urgent, and nothing is going to happen, obviously you have to fix that mindset. You still can get those things later on if you started working in your business seriously. So you're just going to be delaying that for a while. Now you're going to focus on making the money, and you'll be able to buy and get all of those things that you want in the future. So I believe if you started affiliate marketing with this kind of mentality, desperate mentality, and you are expecting to make money very fast, I mean in a very short period of time, in order to get out of that situation or to pay those medical bills or whatever, then obviously you are in a desperate situation and you are falling to desperate mentality. Now, here's what will happen if you are in a desperate situation. I mean, desperate for money. First of all, you will have unrealistic expectations, and based on that, obviously, you will take the wrong decisions. And taking the wrong decision will take you to undesirable results. That's obvious and common sense. And based on that, you will be looking for the easy ways, not the right ways to do things. So you will fail for shiny object offers where those gurus on those fancy looking sales pages and videos promising you the world that you'll make $200 per day or $1,000 per day within 30 days from now, which all are not realistic. But there is a big chance for you to fall for those offers if you are desperate. Now, I don't mean that all of those offers are not working. Maybe you can make such kind of money if you buy their products, but that's not going to happen overnight or within 30 days or maybe within 6 months. That's going to take lots of time and work. The result that they are showing in their sales letters are their own results. They are not your results, and they achieve those results after a long time and work and effort. So don't fall into shiny object offers. And when you are desperate, you'll be using your emotions in order to take decisions. You'll not be using logic and common sense. And at the end, you'll just be wasting your time, your effort, and your money, and that may extend to weeks, months, or even years without achieving any kind of results, which can lead obviously to frustration and quitting at the end. So, first of all, I want you to be honest with yourself and take some time and think about this desperate mentality issue. Maybe you've already fallen to that. If you fall to that before, or maybe you are falling to this right now, then it's obviously going to block you from achieving any kind of success in your online business unless you get rid of that. And I'll be sharing with you some tips on how to deal with this situation right now. So, how to fix this desperate mentality problem? I'll be sharing with you a few tips here, so hopefully that's going to help you to get out of this desperate mentality issue. So, pay close attention. First of all, you should understand, realize, and accept that affiliate marketing is a real business and it takes time, effort, patience, and consistency in order to build it over time. There is nothing such as instantaneous results where you click a few buttons and sit back, then money started flowing from nowhere to your bank account. There is nothing such as this. So before you take any action, you should accept this fact. That is the first thing. Secondly, don't buy any product or course or software based on emotional decisions. It is very dangerous and disastrous if you involve your emotions with your business. All business decisions should come from logic and common sense, not emotions. So, you can buy products, of course. I'm not saying you don't have to buy any product, but only if they will help you in what you are doing right now in your business. If what you are doing right now is not compatible with the product that you're seeing in front of you, then simply don't buy it, because that's going to be just distracting you from your main project or from the main thing that you are working on. And maybe you're going to be quitting what you are doing right now and moving on to this new product or new strategy or new software to do things. And that's like starting all over again from zero. So now you post that previous project that you used to be working on and you're starting a new one from the beginning. And that way will waste all of your time on your effort and it's going to lead to frustration. And if you are in this online business since a while, you will understand exactly what I mean here. The third tip, in case that you are really in a desperate situation and you need money urgently, and I don't mean by that buying the latest iPhone or Gucci bag or whatever. I mean, really serious situation. And if you didn't get the money for that one, something bad is going to happen. You're going to fall to a lot of troubles and issues. If you are in that situation, then you should find other realistic ways to make extra money. And that can be by maybe you can sell something you own. And that in case this urgent situation need a one-time payment or one-time big chunk of payment, and after that you are going to get out of the situation, then find something around you, something you own, something you don't necessarily need right now, and sell it and just simply get out from that situation. Other ways to get a loan, but personally I won't recommend to get a loan because that's going to add another financial obligations on you and it's going to be really difficult. But in case you have no other choice, then you can go for that one. But make it the last decision, okay? Don't just decide to go for getting a loan or borrowing money from the beginning. If you have something to sell or several things to sell that will cover the cost of your urgent need, then that's going to be a better option. Now, another solution is in case that your need is not a one-time, it's something that you have to pay monthly, like a bill or something like that, then I would recommend to find a job if you don't already have a one. Now, in case you already have a job, then maybe you can consider working overtime in your current job so you can make more money if that option is available. Another thing is you may look for another job that is paying you with a higher payment. That's also an option for you. You can also cut all unnecessary expenses. You can sit down with your spouse at home and see what extra expenses that you are spending which are not necessary that you can cut off and make use of that money in more important things. I mean, to get out of that desperate situation. That's also one way. You can also provide independent local services like car washing, dog walking, or any other similar thing. Now, of course, that's going to be depend on where you are in the world and what options you have. But I believe everywhere in the world, you're going to find some kind of service to provide to people in your area where they can pay you money for. So that's also an option that you can consider. So those are some suggestions for you if you are in a real desperate situation and you need money as soon as possible. And I don't mean that you have to pick only one of them because you still can pick more than one of them. You can, for example, sell something you own to make some extra money, and you can find another job. That's also optional. You can also cut all unnecessary expenses. The more you do, the more money you'll get, so you can use it to get out of your desperate situation. And after that, of course, you can work on building your affiliate marketing business part-time, and you have to be patient, of course. It's not going to happen overnight. It's going to take some time, effort, work, consistency, and hopefully after a while, if you are doing the right things, you'll be able to reach a stage where you are making a full-time income. So that's all about the desperate mentality. Now, if you want to know more mindset issues, you can find other mindset issues in my website. I decided not to put them all in this video because it's going to be a very long video. So I added them on my website. So you'll be able to check the link somewhere in the description of this video if you are watching on YouTube, and you'll be able to go through that blog post and discover what other success killing mindset issues and some tips to fix each one of them. Now, there is a chance that maybe you are already watching this video on my website, I mean on that blog post, because this video is going to be there as well. So if that is the case and you're watching the video on my website, then all what you have to do is just scroll down on the same page and you can go through the rest of the post here and read the rest of the other success killing mindset issues. And at the end, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any one of my future videos. I create videos about affiliate marketing, making money online, and online businesses in general. So in order to not miss any one of my future videos, subscribe, activate the notification bell. Also, you can like this video if you like it and post your comment or question and share with us your experience. Maybe you're already falling to desperate mentality and other mindset issues before. Let me know about it in the comments. I appreciate you watching this video till the end, and I'll see you on another video. Till that time, take care. This is Ahmed Ali.